This is brought to you by epremy.com.
Multiple choice of questions in biological classification.
Question number 26. Viruses that infect bacteria, multiply and causes their lysis are called option A. lysozymes, option B. lipolytic, option C. lytic, option D. lysogenic. The answer is option C. lytic. Question number 27. Cell theory was proposed by Schleiden and Schwann. Which one of the following is an exception for cell theory? Option A. Archaea bacteriae, option B. Eubacteriae, option C. viruses, option D. dinoflagellates. The answer is option C. viruses. Question number 28. Contagium vivum fluidum was proposed by option A. D.J. Ivanovsky, option B. M.W. Bejering, option C. Stanley, option D. Robert Hooke. The answer is option B. M.W. Bejering. Question number 29. In cyanophages, the genetic material is option A. DNA, option B. RNA, option C. both A and B, option D. proteins. The answer is option A. DNA. Question number 30. A naked RNA particle causing the symptoms like that of viral disease is known as option A. viroid, option B. virion, option C. viral, option D. none of this. The answer is option A. viroid.
This is brought to you by epremy.com.
Question number 31. Outer covering of virus made up of protein is option A. capsid, option B. coat, option C. virion, option D. viroid. The answer is option A. capsid. Question number 32. Rickettsia belong to the group under option A. an independent category between viruses and bacteria, option B. fungi, option C. viruses, option D. bacteria. The answer is option D. bacteria. Question number 33. Which of the following is a slime mould? Option A. Rhizopus, option B. Sarum, option C. Thiobacillus, option D. Anabena. The answer is option B. Sarum. Question number 34. Thalloid body of slim mould exomycetes is known as option A. Proteinema, option B. Plasmodium, option C. fruiting body, option D. mycelium. The answer is option B. Plasmodium. Question number 35. What is common about Trypanosoma and Nactilica and Monocystis and Giardia? Option A. These are all unicellular protists. Option B. They have flagella. Option C. They produce spores. Option D. These are all parasites. The answer is option A. These are all unicellular protists. Question number 36. Which of the following is a dinoflagella responsible for retides? Option A. Anabena, option B. Gonialax, option C. Mycoplasma, option D. Archaeobacteriae. The answer is option B. Gonialax. Question number 37. Which of the following unicellular organism has a macronucleus for trophic function and one or more micronuclei for reproduction? Option A. Euglena, option B. Amoeba, option C. Paramecium, option D. Trypanosoma. The answer is option C. Paramecium. Question number 38. Man in the life cycle of Plasmodium is option A. primary host, option B. secondary host, option C. both A and B, option D. none of these. The answer is option A. primary host. Question number 39. Which of the following is not the locomotory organ of protozoa? Option A. cilia, option B. flagellae, option C. parapodia, option D. pseudopodia. The answer is option C. parapodia. Question number 40. Golden brown protists belong to option A. chrysophytes, option B. euglenoids, option C. dinoflagellates, option D. diatoms. The answer is option C. dinoflagellates.
This is brought to you by epremy.com.
Question number 41. Protists having transverse and longitudinal groove in the theca area. Option A. Foraminiferans, option B. radiolarians, option C. diatoms, option D. dinoflagellates. The answer is option D, dinoflagellates. Question number 42. Nuclear dimorphism occur in group. Option A, zooflagellata. Option B, ciliata. Option C, sporozoa. Option D, sarcodina. The answer is option B, ciliata. Question number 43. A dichorion is formed when option A, meiosis is arrested. Option B, the two haploid cells do not fuse immediately. Option C, cytoplasm doesn't fuse. Option D, none of the above. The answer is option B, the two haploid cells do not fuse immediately. Question number 44. In most of the fungi, the food material is stored in the form of option A, starch. Option B, glucose. Option C, sucrose. Option D, glycogen. The answer is option D, glycogen. Question number 45. Which one of the following shows heterothallism? Option A, rhizopus. Option B, bacterium. Option C, cycas. Option D, ricinus. The answer is option A, rhizopus. Question number 46. Archaea bacteria differ from eubacteriae in option A, cell membrane structure. Option B, mode of nutrition. Option C, cell shape. Option D, mode of reproduction. The answer is option A, cell membrane structure. Question number 47. Which of the followings are likely to be present in deep sea water? Option A, eubacteria. Option B, blue-green algae. Option C, saprophytic. Option D, Archaea bacteriae. The answer is option D, Archaea bacteriae. Question number 48. Pigment containing membranous extension in some cyanobacteria are option A, basal bodies. Option B, nematophore. Option C, chromatophore. Option D, heterocyst. The answer is option C, chromatophore. Question number 49. A good producer of citric acid is option A, Pseudomonas. Option B, Clostridium. Option C, Saccharomyces. Option D, Aspergillus. The answer is option D, Aspergillus. Question number 50. Protists obtain their food as option A, photosynthesizers. Option B, chemosynthesizer. Option C, heterotrophs. Option D, both A and C. The answer is option D, both A and C.
This is brought to you by epremy.com.